Sales Guide. Let's see how to make a cash sale. First, log in as a user. Then click on Enter Pos. In order taking screen, click on a category. Then click a item to add to your list. After adding the items to the list, click on Pay. This is the total price of the order. Now select or enter the amount that customer has given you. I am gonna select $10. After you select the amount, a pop-up will show you the balance. Click OK. A tab will appear. If you enter the number of the customer will receive a SMS receipt. If you want to ignore, click Cancel. This is how you make a cash sale in POSPointe. Card sale. Now add items to the order. Then click on Credit Card. When you see this pop-up, swipe or insert the card in machine, and enter the amount. This is how you make a card sale in POSPointe. Split tender. First add items to the order. Then click on Pay. To split tender, first select or enter the cash amount. And click on Cash. After you clicking Cash, you can see a balance in the tab. Now click on Card. When you see this pop-up, swipe or insert the card, and enter the amount. This is how you split tender in POSPointe. Thanks for watching.